I kept hearing the same thing over and over. ClickUp replaces everything. Docs, tasks, calendars, notes, all in one place. Honestly, that sounded too good to be true because every tool claims that, but very few actually deliver. So instead of trusting the hype, I decided to move part of my real workflow into ClickUp. Not a demo, not a test project, real work. And the experience was interesting. The biggest issue right now is tool overload. Notes in one app, tasks in another, docs somewhere else. You spend more time switching tools than actually doing the work. That's the exact problem ClickUp claims to solve. What is ClickUp? ClickUp is basically an all-in-one workspace. Tasks, documents, project tracking, calendars, everything connected in one system. Instead of juggling 5 tools, the idea is to manage everything from one place. Features that actually matter. The biggest thing I noticed was flexibility. You can view your work as lists, boards, calendars, timelines. Same tasks, different views. That makes it easier to adapt to how you naturally think. The built-in docs were also useful. No need to jump into another app just to write something. Pros, what I liked, everything in one place, highly customizable, reduces tool switching. Cons, what you should know, takes time to learn fully, can feel overwhelming at first. Not everyone needs all the features. So can ClickUp really replace your other tools? For the right person, yes, but only if you're willing to invest time setting it up properly. It's not magic, it's a system, and once that system fits your workflow, it can genuinely simplify everything. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.